Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer service with Zappos step by step clearly. To scale customer service with Zappos, begin by establishing a clear vision for customer experience. Identify the core values that drive your customer service strategy. Make sure these values resonate with both employees and customers. Invest in comprehensive training programs for your customer service team. Ensure that employees fully understand the company culture and customer expectations. Encourage empowerment among customer service representatives. Allow them to make decisions that prioritize customer satisfaction. Implement robust technology to streamline communication channels. Use tools that enable real-time interaction with customers across various platforms. Monitor customer feedback actively to identify areas for improvement. Develop a system for analyzing feedback and implementing changes. Foster strong interdepartmental communication to address customer needs effectively. Create a culture of collaboration between customer service and other departments. Set performance metrics that emphasize customer satisfaction over sales targets. Focus on retaining existing customers by enhancing their experience. Introduce loyalty programs that reward repeat customers. Share success stories within the team to inspire and motivate. Celebrate instances where employees go above and beyond for customers. Encourage continuous learning through workshops and seminars. Stay adaptable to emerging trends in customer service. Regularly review and refine your strategy based on performance data and customer insights. Prioritize transparency in communication with both customers and employees. Ensure that your customer service vision evolves with your company's growth. By following these steps, you can effectively scale customer service inspired by Zappos' successful approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.